Hi guys, we're back. So I got a headset here and decided to stop working. And as with all things around this house, if you decide to stop working, you just volunteered to have yourself disassembled. So here we go. Okay, so I had my buddy review my video for me to give me some constructive critique. He mentioned that it was kind of weird to just watch a video without any sound, so I'm going to give you a quick play-by-play commentary to help you better visualize the video. I mean, I can really get a very good angle while doing this take. And now essentially the strategy I was taking, if there was any, was simply looking for every screw that was on this headset and removing them as I see them. And as you see, as it happens, parts just fall off by themselves. Now the tricky part was finding the screws, and over here I'm working on the headband, trying to give me more ergonomics to tear into the headset. And between the metal headband and the plastic clip, there's like a one-way latch that I was trying to press down, and I obviously gave up on it for simpler tasks. And as you can see, the cable, the conductor was embedded inside like a plastic raceway in the plastic frame. Here I'm going back. There we go. Opened it. And here I spent a little bit of effort removing the trim piece to see if there are any screws under there. Obviously unsuccessful. And so now I'm trying to pull the swivel apart. It didn't work, so I went ahead and removed the foam padding, exposed 3 more screws, and voila, the speaker and its attached wire. Now, the soldering job on the wiring was very poor, so that's probably why the headset broke. I mean, I could only get half the headset to work, and it's probably because there's poor soldering done at the factory. Here I'm unsoldering the joints to free the speakers, using a little suction cup to vacuum up the excess solder. Again, repeating, rinse and repeat. That's it. Yeah, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave me a comment. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Well, here it is. What's left of the microphone. I hope that helps you, whatever you're up to. Thanks for watching.